The OnePlus 15R is gearing up for its global debut, and OnePlus has already confirmed that the device is headed straight for India. Now, things just got even more official, because a brand new microsite for the OnePlus 15R has gone live on Amazon, confirming that the phone will be available directly through the e-commerce giant. This update comes right after a similar teaser page appeared on the OnePlus India website, making it clear that the 15R's launch is not just imminent, it's practically around the corner. What's even more interesting is that OnePlus is teasing at least 2 color options for the device, with early visuals hinting at a sleek black finish and a bold green variant. And yes, as expected, the phone appears to be a rebranded version of the OnePlus Ace 6T, which is set to drop in China very soon. The Amazon microsite doesn't spill too many details, but it does give us just enough to build the hype. The page teases the colorways, confirms Amazon availability, and shows off a first look at the square-shaped rear camera module, something that already distinguishes the 15R from the rest of the lineup. Meanwhile, the OnePlus India website mirrors the same messaging, showcasing the 15R with the tagline, "Power on, limits off," accompanied by a bold "Coming soon" banner. Basically, OnePlus is firing on all cylinders to make sure everyone knows that this launch is imminent, even if the company is playing it safe by keeping the actual specs, pricing, and launch date tightly under wraps for now. Reports so far strongly suggest that the OnePlus 15R will indeed be a rebranded OnePlus Ace 6T for global markets. But here's where things get interesting. Some leaks claim that OnePlus might instead bring it out as a refreshed version of the OnePlus Ace 6, which debuted in China with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a dual rear camera system. If that's true, global buyers might be in for more than just a simple rebrand. Spec-wise, the OnePlus 15R is rumored to bring serious firepower. The phone is expected to run on the unreleased Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, making it one of the very first devices to feature Qualcomm's next-gen silicon. On the camera front, leaks point to a dual rear setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary shooter paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For display enthusiasts, the phone is rumored to carry a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate panel, something usually reserved for gaming-centric phones. And when it comes to memory and storage, the numbers get even crazier, up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage. Overall, the OnePlus 15R is shaping up to be a serious contender in its segment, and OnePlus clearly has big plans for its Indian launch. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15R? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.